Hi guys, in front of me is Blackview Color 8 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First, open new message or any other area where you got access to your keypad. So, this panel, then tap on settings icon, select languages, tap on add keyboard, select the language that you want to apply. Then tap on done. And now you can stay with both languages. In that case, you will be able to switch between them by using this word icon. Or you can remove unnecessary language by tapping on edit, then just mark the one that you want to get rid of, tap on bin icon, go back, and you will have one language only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.